Right now we are looking at the Wrike dashboard. As you can see, we have different categories that are on here that help to keep us up to date. We have assigned to me, where I can see various tasks that are assigned to myself. And then below that we have to do today/this week. Both of those are really helpful for staying up to date. And over here we have the activity stream, where I can see various updates to tasks that I've made or that my teammates have made. When I come up here, I can actually customize my dashboard and add different widgets, such as my overdue that's been created by me, backlog, conflicts monitor, etc. And then over here, I can share my dashboard with someone else. I have not done that, but as you can see, I have dashboards for Nikki and Daniel up here, so I can check out what Nikki, who is my employee, is up to. And that is a very handy feature. The next thing that I'm going to show you are the folders that are on Wrike. You can see that right over here I've got a number of folders, and all of these for my team are set up to correlate to various goals that we have for the fiscal year. I'm going to show you a folder that is for print design, and then within that I am going to show you the waterways campaign. I'm going to go into the January-February issue, and with that you can see all of the different tasks that we have that are related to that edition of waterways. We've got everything in here so we know what to do step by step. I'm going to take you into one of our tasks so you can kind of see what they look like. So this task is edit copy for the January-February waterways. Up here we can assign this task to various members of our team. Right now it's assigned to Keenan and myself, and we can also assign it to other team members. Here we can set the timeline for the task, so when to start it and when to finish it. We have it going from the 18th to the 20th. We can do any sort of custom date, or we can backlog it, put it for today, tomorrow, etc. This is a really great feature that the communications team and the management and budget team are really utilizing, and it is the dependency feature. It allows us to set up our tasks so that they are in order, and if we change the order of one of them, it will change our entire timeline, which is really handy because we know the amount of time that one task takes. So if we change the due date for one, it can domino the whole thing, so we know realistically when we will be complete on the entire project. Okay. Down here we have a commenting feature where we can add any kind of status to this particular task. For example, I could say, "This is done, Keenan, please check it out." And you'll notice that I did the @ for Keenan. By doing that, that gives Keenan a shout out on this status, so it will pop up on his dashboard for him to check it out. And then I would just hit the comment button and it would go out to him. The other nice thing is that I can upload an attachment here, so if I've edited the copy in Word, I can simply attach it from here. I can add it from my Google Drive, from Dropbox, or from the computer, which is really nice. I can also add a description up here and make an attachment up there also, which is also very handy. The other nice thing that I want to show you about tasks is we can track the project and our status within it by using the different reporting tools that Wrike has available. So I'm going to come up here and go into Analytics, And you'll notice that nothing is actually complete in here, but there are a lot of options to see how things are going. I can check on the timeline here, and then I can see how everyone on the team is doing in context of the project, which is really very helpful. So that's it for our mini tour of Wrike.